Hey, Tom Sweeney here. Thanks for joining me again. I have a quick tip for you today on caulking. So in this particular instance, we are caulking the bottom of this crown molding here. We're not painting the walls, we're just painting the crown and the ceiling. We're going to use a latex caulk, and I'm going to show you how to cut the tip right here. A common mistake is people cut the tip too big. You want to cut the tip, okay, I've already cut this, but I'm going to show you how I did it. I'm going to do a very little tiny cut of the tip on a 45-degree angle. Okay. Some caulks have a seal in here that you need to puncture, and a lot of caulk guns have a little stem here. You can poke that through. I'm not seeing that seal on a whole lot of caulks anymore. Maybe some exterior caulks, but what we're gonna do here, now keep in mind, cut the tip tiny, because if it's too big, it's gonna ooze out, becomes a big mess. So I've got a tiny little tip cut here. I'm gonna lay the gun right in here on an angle, light even pressure on the trigger. And I'm gonna start the pressure, and I'm gonna keep the gun moving. I'm gonna keep the tip tight to the crack. Same little angle, same pressure. I'm gonna do a section. I kind of got caught up on something here. Stopping right there. I have a wet rag. I may wet my finger a little bit. I'm smoothing that out. Okay, I'm gonna clean my finger. And when you go do your next little section, clean the tip. Clean the tip every time. You wanna start with a very clean, fresh tip. So, most caulks take a couple hours before you paint. Some of them are quick dry, like this one from Sherwin-Williams. This is a 30-minute paint time. I kind of like this one because when you're doing this for a living, you want your caulk to dry quick. You keep the job moving. So, keep in mind, small tip, wet rag, you'll be good to go. Good luck. Thanks.